going shopping.
You stole my line. Damn. Get in. Oh, hello. What's going on, you guys? Riley here. Today we are picking up the Corvette from its first rounds of modifications. Thank you for swerving unnecessarily, Zach.
I was braking.
Oh, okay. What's up, Kyle?
What's good, fam?
What's up, Faison?
What's up?
But here we are, we're at J-Rod Speed Shop and Matt Sorian Tuning. So we're going to find out where the Grand Sport is currently, check on its status, and then put it on the dyno here a little bit later. Give her a nice dyno tune, add some more power, add some more loud. It's gonna be a fun day. All right, you guys, well, here she is. As you can see, we have our X-Pipe installed here, along with the Texas Speed long tube headers right here, looking nice and shiny. Hang down a little bit low, so I'll have to be careful on speed bumps and all that fun stuff, but looks like the fitment was nice, wouldn't you say?
Definitely.
Cool, cool.
Can't wait to hear it.
Yeah, I know. So then if we go down here, you guys saw what the long tubes look like. Here's what the stock manifolds look like. And then right here we have our stock primary cats, as well as the existing X-Pipe with the secondary cats. So all that is all the old in with the new. This thing's gonna sound awesome. Can't wait to hear it. We still have the dual mode exhaust, as you can see right in there. There's a little valve that opens and closes on push of a button. But yeah, we're just gonna button up a few things and then we'll fire this bad girl up and see what she sounds like.
Away she goes.
Oh, away she goes.
All right, so in yesterday's video, we did a baseline dyno pull in this car, put down 376 wheel horsepower. So now we're gonna place some bets. What do we think it's going to be after a Haltech intake, long tubes, catless X-Pipe, and a dyno tune?
425. 419. Still a downgrade. I'm gonna say 430.
What do you think?
350.
All right, and for my guess, I'm gonna be really happy with anything above 420. I'm gonna say 421. We'll see what happens. Holy shit! So we don't have any numbers just yet. Those were just some pulls for tuning, and he also installed no lift shift in the car. So now I'll be able to essentially keep my foot all the way on the gas and then power shift into the next gear just by a quick, you know, blip of the clutch. So that's gonna be awesome. But the car sounds absolutely fantastic on here. I can't wait to get her out on the road and see what she does there. But oh man, I'm really excited to see what the numbers are. But even if the numbers are like 200 horsepower, I don't even care. It sounds so good. So 431 torque and 429 wheel horsepower. It's pretty solid gains for just a couple bolt-ons.
It definitely is. Intake air temps getting up there since we're pretty hot in the dining room, so probably would have made a couple of more ponies if we let it sit for an hour or two.
Right. There it is. All right, so just to recap, long tube headers, Haltech intake, X-pipe, and a dyno tune is the equivalent of 53 wheel horsepower on the 2012 Grand Sport Corvette.
That sounds so good.
Oh shit! Hell yeah!
No, green.
This weather report is brought to you by Kern-Fed Customs. You see we have lightning up there in the mushroom cloud, which means there's probably rain coming. If you check the percentages, it's probably a 48% chance of rain coming. Stay tuned for more info. Oh look, these other shots.
Hell yeah! All right, you guys, well, the tune is all good. The power numbers are even better than I was expecting. It sounds amazing. Couldn't be happier. Huge shout out to J-Rod Speed Shop Jr. over here for helping out, and J-Rod Sr. and Matt Sorian for the tuning. Seriously, it's perfect for now. I say for now because it will be getting a cam. It's gonna happen, but I'm gonna enjoy it the way it is. We're gonna take it to the track, see what she'll do set up like this. But first, we gotta go hit the streets and see how I like it. So let's do it. Oh, yes. All right, so just left. Oh my God. Bruh. Oh, dude, this is addicting. This is about to cause a lot of bad financial decisions. Oh, Billy. That sounds so good. Okay, so right now we're cruising at about 53, 55 miles per hour. We're in 6th gear. We have the exhaust in loud mode. I'm gonna lightly accelerate in 6th. You hear it's really loud, like obnoxiously loud. I'm gonna hit the button for the switch. Now you don't hear it at all. We're cruising, my foot's on the gas, nothing. I'm gonna lightly accelerate. We're accelerating 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, nothing. You don't hear a damn thing. What? And then back to the loud. What the heck? You guys, well, it is a little bit after midnight, heading home now. I've been hanging out with the guys. We went and got some dinner and just been kind of chilling, but man, I am just so happy with how this car is turning out. and tunnel. Oh my God. This thing is freaking ridiculous, and I feel weird because like all I did was just, you know, some headers and an intake and stuff and a good solid tune from Saurian. But I mean, geez, this thing is just a totally different animal now. Seriously, if you guys are in the Houston area and you're looking to get any of your cars worked on or tuned or anything, hit up J-Rod Speed Shop, hit up Matt Saurian for tuning, tell them that RP Productions sent you. I mean, seriously, I couldn't be any happier. I'm blown away with this thing, and I'll definitely be oh my God, I can't talk. I'll definitely be going back for more performance mods. I'm really excited to red light. I'm really excited to add more power. I think I've got the power bug now. It's like, oh shoot, like here we go. And then of course a huge thank you and a huge shout out to the guys over at Texas Speed and Performance. The headers are awesome. They sound amazing. They fit great. The quality's awesome. Great company. I mean, I just think everything's going great so far with the Corvette build, quote unquote. But man, all I can say is that I'm just extremely happy, and this thing sounds ridiculous. So that just about does it for today's video. Just heading home now, and probably gonna take a shower, go to sleep. But thank you guys for watching this video. We'll definitely get some more footage of the new mods and all the fun stuff here in the daylight in the next coming days. So stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for the future mods we have planned for this car. Once again, I'm just so happy, so excited. Everything is going great so far. But thank you guys for watching this video. My goodness, listen to that. I'm like a little kid. But thank you guys for watching this video. I will see y'all in the next one. Take it easy.